Hey, what's up, y'all? Alonzo here. I just want to talk about some Turbo Coin. And guys, this is one of the tokens that I did buy closer to the top. And there are many reasons for that. One of the reasons being is that I didn't take advantage in the beginning when everybody was mentioning it on my channel. I can tell you that people have been leaving messages for I don't know how long, just saying, hey, check out Turbo Coin, check it out. And I never did. And I checked it out at the very end of last year, and that's when I got in. But that's one of the reasons why I got involved, because I felt like, man, I should have been supporting it from the beginning and I would have made a whole bunch of money. So let me go ahead and look into it now. And that's how that process started. So basically, this is a meme coin that is created by AI, guys. And it started with a budget of only $69. So it is an excellent thing to see this valued at upwards of $500 million, guys. So let's look into what we find here. Speaking of AI, I was messing around with AI, and this is the picture that it generated. It's got me looking like the president of El Salvador, Bukele. So that is an interesting thing to see what AI is capable of. But I want to focus on this post that was shared by Turbo itself. It says, Turbo is excited to see Turbo Chain mentioned in Crypto Daily UK's latest article on protocols bringing the AI economy on chain. Being built on near protocols, Aurora is near. Turbo Chain is paving the way for scalable AI-driven innovation. And it gives us the article here. And it wasn't posted too long ago. I mean, I think it was 11 hours ago when I checked it out. But it is a brand new article, and you guys can go read it. This is what it looks like here. 5 protocols that are bringing the AI economy on chain. So there are articles being written about it, and that is an amazing thing, because the more news we have circulating, the better. So you guys go follow them on X. If you're new to this, make sure you're following the appropriate pages here. It is Turbo Toad Token, and then you can go to my page and follow me there as well. Mine is this right here, Alexander Alonzo at Silent Alonzo, and I talk about real estate, crypto, and investing, guys. So be looking forward to the topics that we're going to be discussing in the channel, man. So subscribe to the channel as well and set notifications, because I keep on bringing you things that matter. I wanted to look at this. They actually have the Turbo swap. I was looking forward to seeing this. I heard it mentioned, the Turbo Chain and everything coming up. So they actually do have this. They have made some excellent advancements. And it's good to see this, man. It's good to see a project that actually builds and delivers on their promises, because in this day and age in crypto, so many projects are not delivering. And this is one of the ones that does bring it. So that is a good thing to see. I look forward to seeing what it does in the future. So here we are. We're checking this out here on CoinMarketCap. The community sentiment is 92% bullish. I'm going to go ahead and vote bullish. You could vote once every 24 hours. Keep that up there in the 90s. Get it as close to the 100 as you possibly can. There's over 71,000 votes from the community. Is a strong community. I remember the first time that I posted a video by Turbo, the community came out thick, commenting and supporting the content. And that's what I like to see. I like to be part of communities and support communities that support their content creators as well. So it is an excellent thing to see. So the circulating supply is 65 billion Turbo. It is a larger coin supply, but not so large that it takes too much to make it move, right? So I wanted to talk about that here, because we're looking at 1 year, and we had 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a 3 a year ago, and we're sitting at 2 zeros and an 8. And keep in mind that it had already eaten that last zero, putting us at about a little bit over 1 cent. So I think I bought closer to the top. I don't quite remember, but what I did take advantage of is this. Let me go to the 7-day chart. You see this here? You see this dip where it went down all the way down here. Somewhere along these lines, I took advantage and I DCA'd, guys. I'm one of those people that every time, every part of this year, I usually lose interest in crypto. I've made money through the holidays and everything, and I'm just done. I'm ready to move forward with my year. But this year, I'm staying locked in because this is the year that we all get rich, that we all make it happen. There's no sense in watching everybody else pull Lambos and houses out of cryptocurrency, and we're not going to. So we have to make sure that we do the same. So the way we do that is by playing the game. If you bought high like I did, you want to DCA and do dollar cost averaging, guys. You want to make sure that you lower your average cost of your tokens as this is going down, because eventually when it does go up, and I'm going to show you here, when it does go up, this is where you make money. I'm looking at this one-day chart. It's the one from Coinbase. You see it up top, and it does come down. You see it's pretty much bottomed out at the same spot, right? So now you're going to see this moving upward here. You see that green candle. Hopefully the worst is over with and this shakeout turns into a massive parabolic move upward, because this is listed everywhere. So as soon as anybody gets interest in this and there is something to push it forward, this is going to launch because there's so many eyes on it, so many holders. Matter of fact, I didn't even touch base on that, but I believe that in 2025, we will see a massive move upward. So I am continuing to DCA, and I will be holding until this gets me where I want to see it. Okay, so let's look at here. I want to check out the holders. Let's go to the Etherscan. This does have over 51,000 holders, guys. So this is a pretty good project with a lot of people still betting on it, still holding it, and still probably DCAing, guys, because this group, this community is really a cult. When people say they have a community, this one really is a cult, and I imagine that everybody here is hodling until, guys, and I will be one of them. I will be DCAing. Y'all make sure to like, subscribe, and share so we can get this everywhere. Remember, every time you comment, it helps the algorithm. Every time you interact with posts of your favorite token, it really does push the algorithm and get it into more people's faces, guys. So with that said, I've got some other videos coming up. If you want to gain information on other projects, we do cover a lot of different tokens here. So with that said, if you ain't got no turbo, get you some.